Clearing iPhone memory is a very difficult task, and most of the iPhone users are confused that how they clear their iPhone memory without any external app. So in this video, I'm going to tell you 4 methods by which you can clear iPhone memory very easily. The first method is clearing Safari data. Go to Settings and then search Safari. Open Safari tab and scroll down till bottom. Here, open Advanced option, then tap on Website Data. It takes time to load. And here you can see 993 megabytes are here to clear from website data. You can clear this from this red button, Clear Website Data, or go back and then tap on Clear History and Website Data to clear memory of Safari browser. Now the second method is offloading apps. Go General, then iPhone Storage, and here open any app. For example, I am opening WhatsApp. Now if you offload WhatsApp, its app size memory will be cleared, but this app data remains safe in your iPhone. So by this way, you can offload any app from storage section to clear memory of iPhone. The third way is to clear cache of different apps. I am doing it on Snapchat. Open Snapchat application, then go to Profile icon. Here tap on Settings and then scroll down. You can see the Privacy Controls option here. And under this there is Clear Data slide. Tap on it and then tap on Clear Cache at the end. Now your Snapchat cache is cleared from iPhone memory. The last method is to turn off your iPhone and then turn it on to clear some RAM memory. It is also a useful method of clearing memory. So these are some methods which you can use to clear memory in your iPhone. That's it for the video. I hope you guys like it. Do subscribe for more videos, and I will see you in the next one.